Amazon is going to make it harder, if not impossible, for arbitrage sellers to grow a profitable business easily in 2025. The space is becoming a little harder to get in every single day, which, with Amazon restricting some brands and ASINs, it seems like wholesale is a better long-term strategy. And if you think that, a lot of people think that, which is the reason why there's a lot of people actually leaving online arbitrage, right? So in this video, I'm going to tell you what your game plan should be in 2025. Whether you should stick with online arbitrage or you should actually move to wholesale, So imagine being a fruit seller in a small farmer market with thousands of visitors a day, right? And the city decides out of the blue that you cannot sell strawberries anymore. Okay, strawberries are my favorite fruit, right? And it's probably the same for you because it's the best fruit out there. But a lot of people love strawberries. It's one of the best-selling fruit on the market, and it's a big percentage of your sales every day, right? So what is your business going to become? It's a really hard question, and it's literally what's happening right now with Amazon FBA. If you just hang out on Twitter, you are going to see a lot of sellers that have had their ability to sell brands such as Nike or Adidas removed, right? And it's worth you'll see sellers selling millions of dollars a year to whom it happens. So the issue with arbitrage is that you have no idea if you are still going to be able to sell the brands you sell now 2 months from now. And this is why a lot of people decide to start working directly with the brands, doing brand direct wholesale. Because to go back to a farmer's market analogy, right? Imagine if on the other end, you could have an exclusive deal with the only guy growing strawberry in the city and block other sellers from buying strawberries from him. Moreover, you can get the deal with the farmer market to become the only guy being able to sell strawberries out there, right? So you would make so much money because this is something really, really close to a monopoly. You would have no competition. But is it true? Maybe not, but we'll see that in a few. You are also directly in contact with the brand, so there is no secret brand restriction that are going to happen. So does that mean that this business model is perfect? Does it? Well, the answer is simple. Absolutely not. Because what if the guy selling apples on the market is a better salesman than you? Because yes, you may not have competition selling strawberries, but people can still sell other fruits. They may be able to negotiate a better deal than you with your strawberry suppliers and become their exclusive supplier. Wholesale is absolutely not a perfect business model, and it comes with its own sets of problems. Online arbitrage will still be a better business model for beginners as long as you do these things. First, you need to be able to adapt fast as the market is always changing, which means that you can that you need to be able to up on and off of trends fast. Second, you need to dig deeper than your competition and be able to build wider moat by manufacturing your margins better, by getting better coupons, better gift cards, cashback, and using all these strategies, all these creative strategies. And third, you need to understand your numbers really, really well, because most arbitrage sellers suck at business, which is not the case with wholesale. And let me tell you something that these gurus won't tell you, but that I will tell you. If you were not able to make it with arbitrage, you will never be able to make it with wholesale. They are going to eat you alive. But is your arbitrage business going to survive 2025? Watch this video to find out, and I'll see you in the next one.